How's it going, everybody? Lance Yeager here. We're rocking out here on Long Island, New York. It's probably about 10 after 2, December 20th, 2009. And we got a wicked ass snowstorm going on here. Check it out. Yeah. Walking out the door. We got a good 9 inches, at least 10 here. It's 2:09. I shoveled here probably about 2 hours ago. Snow blown, covered over. Cars are covered over. Yeah, I'll be digging out tomorrow. It's a wicked snowstorm, actually. Wind-blown snow. And it's coming down now pretty good. Probably at the rate of about 2 inches an hour. And, yeah. Got decorations set up for sure here. That's about all I have to report here. Alright. Peace, planet Earth. It's been real. Thanks for having me.